Hi, I'm Tim from Enhanced Mobility. I'm excited to tell you about our Hercules lift. Our Hercules lifts are great for assisting you in putting scooters in and out of your car, making life easier. Weighing at 29 pounds, it's easy for a single person to lift it in and out of your trunk. As you can see, we have our Hercules lift and our Transformer scooter. After you've brought your lift out, you can easily just step on the brake and it locks it into place. The strap is great for holding the legs in place so it doesn't flop around in your car. Just press the two tabs together and it comes right out. And so that the tab isn't, and the strap isn't going all over the place, you can just put it back in while you're putting the lift together. The wheels, you just bring them down. As you're putting it down, make sure that you're locking the hinges into place. I will then rotate the motor over. You can simply lift up. Notice I'm lifting up from the sides. I'm not lifting up from the motor itself. The motor is not secured in place, but is secured by its weight. Lift up to the height that it's needed. Releasing the brake, it's now very easily maneuverable. And I can go right to the car, put on the brake, and now it's ready for me to work with the scooter. What's nice about this lift is that it's powered directly from this battery of the scooter, so you don't have another bulky battery to take with it. Just be careful to make sure that these prongs align to the ports in your lift and your scooter. You just plug the cord into the back of the scooter where you charge it, and the back of the lift. Once the plugs are plugged into the scooter and the lift, you can use this switch to make the ribbon go down. I like to secure it around the frame of the scooter, and now it's secured in place. So you can start lifting up the scooter now that it's off the car. Again, release the brake, and no problems removing it from the car. Put on the brake again, and you're ready to bring your scooter down and start your day. Thank you for watching our video at Enhanced Mobility.